Before love songs ruled the charts, Marvin Gaye gave us something deeper, a sound that wasn't just romantic, it was healing. In 1982, Marvin Gaye made a triumphant return to the world of music, carrying with him a powerful message of hope and healing. After years of personal struggle and heartbreak, he poured his soul into a song that would not only touch hearts, but also calm restless minds, Sexual Healing. This track was more than just a sensual anthem, it was Marvin's way of reaching out, offering comfort and connection through his art. Sexual Healing became a form of soulful therapy, both for Marvin and for millions of listeners around the world. It marked a turning point, changing the landscape of music forever. The song's impact was immediate and profound. It wasn't just about romance, it was about emotional restoration, about finding peace and solace in sound. Sexual Healing fused classic soul, infectious funk, and the innovative sounds of early electronic music, bringing something truly fresh and exciting to the radio airwaves. Its smooth, irresistible rhythm and deeply intimate lyrics made it an instant classic, resonating with people of all ages and backgrounds. But the real magic of Marvin Gaye's classic? It's the healing power woven into every note of the song, reaching far beyond romance. Listeners felt understood, comforted, like someone finally put their feelings into words and melody. The song became a safe space for vulnerability and hope. It reminded people that connection, both physical and emotional, truly matters in our lives, especially when we're hurting or feeling alone. Decades later, Sexual Healing still resonates with new generations, its message as powerful as ever. It's a reminder that even through pain, love, whether for ourselves or others, real, soulful love, can be a path to healing, growth, and finding peace within the music. Marvin Gaye's voice was more than just music. It was a soothing balm for the soul, a sound that could heal wounds you didn't even know you had. His songs, especially Sexual Healing, offered comfort and hope, wrapping listeners in warmth and understanding. That's why Sexual Healing remains timeless. Its message and melody continue to resonate generation after generation, reminding us of the power of music to mend hearts. Even today, people everywhere find themselves swaying to its rhythm, feeling understood and uplifted. If Marvin's voice has ever moved you, or if his lyrics have helped you through tough times, we'd love to hear your story. Share your favorite lyric or memory in the comments below, and let's celebrate the healing power of music together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories behind the music that shapes our lives. And if you're craving more chart-topping hits, check out our other videos exploring legendary songs and artists. Dive into the stories behind the music and subscribe so you never miss a beat.